You should make a fried ham and egg sandwich on toasted bread. My sister used to make them for us as kids and it's so good. Seems simple enough? Let's give it a try. Fried an egg and set it off to the side, and then tossed a few slices of deli ham into a pan, slightly browned each side, and then assembled the sandwich. Overcooked the egg because I forgot to take the lid off. I only forget like 95% of the time. Then just added some salt and pepper. Gonna be honest, this one was a bit dry. Mayo would have been good. I mean, what do you typically put on a sandwich with egg and ham? I opted for chili oil since you can't really go wrong with that. Thanks for the suggestion, Kay Michelle.